रहा है, हमको पीला ही चला।
मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, am I audible? Can
Yes,
you?
ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay, so
यस मैम।
mute yourselves, all of you. Mute yourself. Mute. प्रशांत, तुम्हारा माइक ऑन है शायद। प्रशांत 9th जी।
यस मैम, उसका माइक कौन है? कुछ से कुछ मैम आवाज आ रहा है।
प्रशांत, म्यूट योरसेल्व्स। बोलने पे भी नहीं सुनता है। So today I will start this chapter, If I Were You. That day the connection was not proper, so I'm repeating it once again. I just started that. So as I told you, this is a play. Play means, you know, play means a drama. So this chapter, it is a drama, and there are two main characters in the story. One is Gerard. प्ले में जो है दो मेन कैरेक्टर है। एक मेन कैरेक्टर है जेरार्ड एंड द अदर मेन कैरेक्टर इज अ क्रिमिनल who is a look alike. Look alike means, you know, what is the meaning of look alike?
To look same.
Who looks
Who looks same.
हम शक्ल। तो दो मेन कैरेक्टर है ड्रामा में, एक है जेरार्ड और एक है उसका हम शक्ल। And as Gerard is a writer, and the other man who resembles him, the other man who looks like him, he is a criminal. So Gerard is a writer, and there is another person who looks just as the same as Gerard, and that criminal, he all of a sudden one day he sees Gerard. वो criminal है, अचानक से वो Gerard को देखता है, तो he makes a plan in his mind. The police is after him, so he thinks that he looks like Gerard. If he kills Gerard and lives his life as Gerard, then he can escape from the police. So Gerard lives alone in a lonely cottage. Lonely means he lives alone. He lives alone. An intruder. Intruder means what? One who enters without permission. Write the meaning. One who enters without permission. तो intruder एक है. Intruder is the criminal. Who is a criminal? Enters his cottage. He intends to murder Gerard and take on his identity. Does he succeed? So as we will read the play, we will come to know whether the criminal succeeds in his plan. The following words and phrases occur in the play. Do you know their meaning? So पहले हम लोग meaning word meanings first we will do. Cultured means cultured. Sophisticated,
well mannered.
sophisticated, well mannered. So this cultured means sophisticated or well mannered. Count on, उस दिन बताए थे मैंने, I told you the meaning of count on.
Yeah ma'am, depend.
Yes, depend on, rely on. तो ये हुआ आपका second. Then engaged. Engaged means
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है।
हाँ क्या स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है? Are you able to see the screen?
यस मैम, यस मैम।
नंबर 3 इज engaged. Engaged मतलब किसी काम में बिजी रहना, occupied. Okay, all these words you will find in the book, in the story. That is why melodramatic, बहुत ज्यादा ड्रामा. Melodramatic means क्या? Melodramatic means exaggerated. You know the meaning of exaggerated? कुछ चीज बढ़ चढ़ के
More exciting.
हाँ,
More exciting.
exciting है क्या? Over exciting वही melodramatic. So here then to be smart. To be smart and informal. Yes. To be smart क्या होगा? Informal expression, unnecessary ये तो नहीं होगा. Avoid unexpected opportunity of success. Smart. To be
मैम विच पेज?
mute yourself. कौन? To be smart. क्या? And ये होगा to be smart. ये to be smart means a person who pretends to know a lot. Smart किसको कहता है? जो अपने आप को समझता है कि मुझे बहुत ज्यादा आता है. To be smart, a person who intends to know a lot. Inflection. So sixth word is inflection. What does it mean? Tone of voice. Inflection means tone of voice. All of you mark the meanings in your book. You mark the meanings or you can take the screenshot and keep it. ये 6 जो है वो है tone of voice. Yeah, if your memory is good, you can remember it and write it later on, or it's better you bring the book and do it. So wise guy. Wise means wise guy. बताओ तुम लोग.
Intelligent.
हाँ, wise guy. An informal way of saying that one is too clever. Informal way है wise guy. Guy जो है, guy word जो है वो हम normally formal English में नहीं use करते हैं. He's a good guy. We use it in conversation and all. So guy means a person. Informal wise guy means an informal way of saying one is being too clever. Informal मतलब हम जब अपने दोस्तों के साथ, रिश्तेदारों के साथ बात करते हैं तो वो informal हुआ. Formal means what? Formal means official. So when we talk to our friends and relatives, we usually use the word guy for a person. He's a good guy. So wise guy means American English. It is an informal way of saying that one is being too clever. Okay, have you marked it? Then dandy bus. Dandy bus.
An informal expression for a fashionable vehicle.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, ma'am.
Informal expression for a fashionable vehicle. Then gratuitous. Gratuitous. It is a new word for you. Gratuitous. You note down the meaning. Gratuitous means unnecessary and usually harmful. Gratuitous. It means unnecessary and usually harmful. Then dodge. Dodge means किसी avoid करना. Dodge. D-O-D-G-E. D is silent over here. You pronounce it dodge and it means to avoid. Okay, then lucky break. Lucky break.
An unexpected opportunity for success.
यस वेरी गुड.
Ma'am,
हाँ हाँ बोलो, कुछ बोलना है.
ma'am, you left the tradespeoples,
और ट्रेड.
tradespeople, merchants, merchants.
यस.
मैम कौन से पेज नंबर में है?
हाँ तो रुको, हम नंबर पे
Merchant.
चेंज करते हैं. ट्रेड्स पीपल छूट गया, उसको नंबर हम ये
Merchant.
हाँ मर्चेंट. वेरी हाँ, आई मिस्ड इट रियली सॉरी. ओके ओके. सो ट्रेड्स पीपल मींस मर्चेंट. ट्रेड्स पीपल मतलब जो बिजनेसमैन होते हैं उनको मर्चेंट्स भी कहते हैं ना. तो ये हमारा 9 नंबर हो गया. ट्रेड्स पीपल मींस मर्चेंट. देन next word is gratuitous. It means harmful, unnecessary and usually harmful. Gratuitous. Then our 11th word is dodge. It is pronounced dodge. D is silent and it means to avoid. The thief tried to dodge the police. The thief tried to dodge the police. Avoid karna. Then lucky break. An unexpected opportunity for success. This is lucky break. Unexpected opportunity for success. Then Sunday school teacher. Sunday school teacher. बताओ क्या होगा?
A Christian religious teachers who teaches on Sunday in a church.
Yes, a Christian religious teacher who teaches on Sundays in church. Then 14th and last word, frame. फ्रेम का देखो, ये यहाँ फ्रेम का जो है contextual meaning है. फ्रेम means the photo frame also. Commonly it is used, but here frame means to trap. So frame has another meaning also. As I told you many times.
मैम एक बार ऊपर देखिए.
क्या निशु कुछ बोलना है तुमको? निशु, you want to say something?
मैम ऊपर. मैम ऊपर.
रिपीट कर दें? ठीक है, कर देते हैं. तो कल्चर्ड पहला वर्ड है हमारा कल्चर्ड. इट मीन्स सोफिस्टिकेटेड, वेल मैनर्ड. Cultured means sophisticated or well mannered. Then our second word is count on, and contextual meaning is depend, rely. Count on, contextual meaning depend or rely on. Then third word is engaged. Engaged मतलब कोई काम में busy रहना, engaged or occupied. Then our fourth word is melodramatic. It means कहाँ था? Melodramatic. Exaggerated. Yes, melodramatic means exaggerated. कुछ बढ़ चढ़ के चीज होना. ड्रामा बढ़ चढ़ के. Melodramatic, exaggerated. Then our fifth word is to be smart. To be smart. American English, a person. ये तो वाइज गाय का था. American English, a person who pretends to know a lot. Yes, correct. American English, a person who pretends to know a lot. Then inflection. Inflection means tone of voice. Inflection here means tone of voice. Why it is written here? जैसे मैंने बताया, according to the context. Here means context. In this context, it means a tone of voice.
Yes, ma'am. मैम 13-14.
13-14 चलो हो गया ना सबका. चलो 13-14 है संडे स्कूल टीचर. संडे स्कूल टीचर है a Christian religious teacher who teaches on Sundays. And frame means to trap someone. फ्रेम मतलब यहाँ फ्रेम का मीनिंग है कि किसी को फंसाना. यहाँ फ्रेम इस चैप्टर में जो हमारा फ्रेम का मीनिंग है वो किसी को फंसाना. तो जैसे फर्स्ट सीन, वेयर डज द फर्स्ट सीन टेक प्लेस. मैंने बताया कि ये एक ड्रामा है. तो पहला सीन कहाँ होता है? एक छोटे से घर में. A small cottage interior. There is an entrance back right which may be curtained. Curtained means with curtains, parda. Another door to the left must be a practical door, usable. Practical door means what? Which is used, usable door. The furniture is simple, consisting of a small table towards the left, a chair or two, and a divan. Divan means a box with bed, a bed with box.
Box.
Or storing. Upstage on the right, on the table is a telephone. So this is the setting of the rooms. Little furniture, small room. So when the curtain rises, Gerard is standing by the table making a phone call. He is of medium height and wearing horn rimmed glasses. So uh, when the curtain rises, then Gerard is seen. He is the main character. Gerard is the main character और प्रोटैगनिस्ट. मेन कैरेक्टर को क्या कहते हैं? प्रोटैगोनिस्ट. प्रोटैगनिस्ट. So Gerard is our main character. Gerard is the main character. He is making a phone call. He is of medium height, wearing horn rimmed glasses. Horn rimmed means horn framed. Frame यहाँ मतलब it is the frame, the outline of the glass. He is dressed in a lawn suit and a great coat.
मैम 13-14 में क्या था?
क्या हुआ? 13-14 तुम्हारा छूट गया. लो 13-14 है तुम्हारा. 13 है a Christian religious teacher who teaches on Sundays. Sunday school teacher, a Christian religious teacher who teaches on Sundays. और frame मतलब trap करना. Frame means trap. ठीक है? Okay. So this is the physical appearance of Gerard. Medium height, wearing glasses. He is dressed in a coat and his voice is cultured, very well mannered. His voice is cultured, well mannered. Well mannered. Well, tell him to phone up directly. I must know. Yes, I expect I'll still be here, but you mustn't count on that. In about 10 minutes. वो Gerard जो है वो किसी से बातें कर रहा है and he is telling that he will reach there, but he should not depend on him. The count here means depend on that. In about 10 minutes, right ho, goodbye. He puts down the phone and goes to the divan on the left where there is a traveling bag and Gerard is about to go somewhere. Why does how do we know that he is about to go somewhere? क्योंकि दीवान पर जो है एक बैग पैक करके रखा हुआ है, traveling bag, and starts packing. No, he starts packing the bag. While he is thus engaged, another man similar in build to Gerard enters from the right silently. Similar in build, एक दूसरा आदमी आता है और वो जो है कद काठी में. Similar in build means height, weight, everything is identical. Another person enters. His height and weight is also the same as Gerard. Similar in build to Gerard, enters from the right, revolver in hand. And what is strange about this person? This man who suddenly enters. तो ये जो है, he is similar in build. Just 1 minute.
Hello.
So here he's similar in build to Gerard, enters from the right silently, revolver in hand. He is flashily dressed. Flashily dressed means what? Very colorful. Flashy.
Very colored.
Colored, flashy, bright. Colored or bright, you can say. ओवरकोट पहने हुए है वो, एंड अ सॉफ्ट हैट. ही बम्प्स एक्सीडेंटली. बम्प मतलब टकरा जाना, डैश अगेंस्ट. बम्प मीन्स डैश अगेंस्ट, बम्प. वो जब अचानक से आता है तो वो टेबल से टकरा जाता है. ही डैशेस अगेंस्ट द टेबल. एंड जेरड जब आवाज सुनता है कि कौन आ गया अचानक से टेबल से टकराता है, तब तो जेरड प्लेजेंटली, व्हाई दिस इज अ सरप्राइज मिस्टर एल. So Gerard he is a well mannered person, so there is a happy expression on his face. Mr. R क्यों कहता है? क्योंकि अचानक से वो आदमी आया, उसको नाम तो नहीं पता है, तो he calls him Mr. R. I am glad you are pleased to see me. I don't think you will be pleased for long. और इंट्रूडर है दूसरा जो है, इंट्रूडर मीन्स आई टोल्ड यू he has entered without permission. He enters into Gerard's house, but he does not ask his permission. He does not know Gerard. He's a stranger and he enters without permission. So that is why he is called intruder. और इंट्रूडर क्या कहता है उसको कि आई एम ग्लैड यू आर प्लीज टू सी मी. आई डोंट थिंक यू विल बी प्लीज्ड फॉर लॉन्ग. वो क्या कहता है कि आई डोंट थिंक, मुझे लगता है तुम बहुत देर तक खुश नहीं रहोगे मुझसे मिलकर. ऐसा वो क्यों कहता है? क्योंकि वो तो जेरड को मारने आया है. कुछ देर में जेरड को पता चल जाएगा कि वो इंट्रूडर किस मोटिव से आया है, तब तो जेरड खुश नहीं रह सकता है. दैट इज व्हाई ही सेज, आई डोंट थिंक यू विल बी प्लीज्ड फॉर लॉन्ग बिकॉज द इंट्रूडर हैज कम टू किल जेरड and live his life as Gerard. He is a criminal. So that is why he says, I don't think you will be pleased for long. Put those paws up. Here paws refers to hands. और रिवॉल्वर हाथ में है, उसको हाथ ऊपर करने कहता है. जैसे कि this is all very melodramatic. All this is very unrealistic for Gerard. मेलोड्रामेटिक, वेरी एग्जैजरेटेड, या उसको अनरियलिस्टिक भी कर सकते हैं कि अचानक से एक आदमी घुस आए और हैंड्स अप उसको करने बोले. वेरी unrealistic for him, not very original perhaps, but trying to be calm and air, trying to be calm. So intruder, he says trying to be calm, nonchalant. Nonchalant means, nonchalant also means calm. C-A-L-M, calm, calm, quiet. Is your word, I think. Thanks a lot. You soon stop being smart. I'll make you crawl. So what does the intruder say? You think you know a lot, but when you know me, then you will understand that I'm smarter than you. I'll make you crawl. He says, I'll make you crawl means I will control you. I'll make you crawl means I will make you do what I want. I will control you. I want to know a few things. See, now this man, he has, what is his purpose of coming? What is the purpose of coming of the intruder? Batao koi? Hello?
We will kill Gerard and take
Can you
his
repeat the
place.
question? Okay.
What is the purpose of the intruder coming to Gerard's house?
Ma'am, he will kill Gerard and take his place.
Okay, yes, very good. He wants to kill Gerard and live his life as Gerard. So the intruder is a criminal. ये जो पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं, ये दूसरा आदमी, ये जो है क्रिमिनल है, इंट्रूडर. जैसे कि देख सकते हैं एकदम आइडेंटिकल. इफ यू सी द पिक्चर, दिस इज जेरड. सो यू कैन सी दैट बोथ आर आइडेंटिकल. डबल रोल होता है ना हिंदी फिल्म्स में, वैसे ही जो है वो जेरड और ये क्रिमिनल बिल्कुल एक जैसा दिखता है. तो इसका प्लानिंग है कि जेरड को मारकर और अपना लाइफ जो है एज अ राइटर, आराम से बिताएं. So you can see both are just identical. So physically if you see the height, the weight, the face, everything is similar. So uh, you will soon stop being smart. I'll make you crawl. This is spoken by the intruder. So anything you like, I know all the answers. Now this man, if he wants to live his life as Gerard, he has to know all the details about Gerard. इंट्रूडर को अगर जेराड का आइडेंटिटी लेना है तो उसको जेराड के बारे में सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. उसके रिलेटिव्स कौन है, उसका बैक लाइफ क्या था. अचानक से अगर कोई आके उससे पूछते तो he first has to gather all the details about Gerard, how he speaks, what from where, which place he belongs to, who are his relatives. He has to know everything. So Gerard, anything you like, I know all the answers. But before we begin, I should like to change my position. You may be comfortable, but I am not. So Gerard says that okay, वो कहता है कि I want some details. I want to know some details about you. So he says that I will answer you. I know all the answers. But he says that I will like to change my position. अभी what is the present position of Gerard? अभी वो किस position में है? बताओ. Hello. What is the present position of Gerard? Hello, can you
Raising
hear?
his hands.
Hands up. हाथ ऊपर करके वो खड़ा है. उस पोजीशन में कोई कंफर्टेबल तो नहीं फील कर सकता. तो that is why he says that I should like to change my position. You may be comfortable, but I am not. Hands up करके कोई कंफर्टेबल तो नहीं फील कर सकता. Sit down there and no funny business. Sit down there and no funny business means don't do anything smart. Don't do anything smart. मतलब कुछ smart. Motions to a chair and seats himself on the divan by the back. तो इंट्रूडर कहता है कि ठीक है तुम बैठ सकते हो. पोजीशन उसको चेंज करने का परमिशन दे दिया, लेकिन बोला कि कुछ चालाकी नहीं करने के लिए. नो फनी बिजनेस मीन्स डोंट डू एनीथिंग वेरी स्मार्ट. He motions to a chair and seats himself on the divan by the back. Now then, we'll have a nice little talk about yourself. तो इंट्रूडर को जेराड के बारे में जानना था, तो उसने कहा कि अब हम तुम्हारे बारे में बातें करेंगे, अच्छी अच्छी बातें. Nice little talk. So intruder says that now we will talk about yourself. At last, a sympathetic audience. I'll tell you the story of my life. सिंपैथेटिक मीन्स काइंड. तो अब जेराड कहता है कि कोई तो इतना काइंड है कि मेरी बात सुनने के लिए तैयार है. आई हैव समवन who wants to listen to my story. I have an audience. At least someone is so kind to listen to my story. I have a kind audience. I'll tell you the story of my life. How as a child I was stolen by gypsies. तो जेराड ने अपने लाइफ के बारे में बताया कि बचपन में जो है उसे जिप्सीज ने चुरा लिया था. How as a child I was stolen by the gypsies, and why at the age of 32 I find myself in my lonely cottage, Essex cottage. Where is the cottage situated? This is the name of the place. Essex is the place where the cottage is there. So Essex is the name of the place. So he says, Gerard tells a detail about his life कि बचपन में उसे gypsies ने उठा लिया था. Intruder, keep it to yourself and just answer my questions. तो इंट्रूडर को ज्यादा डिटेल नहीं जानना है. इंट्रूडर को बस अपना काम का बात जानना है. कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ. तो व्हाट हैपेंड इन चाइल्डहुड ही इज नॉट मच इंटरेस्टेड. he says just answer my question. You live here alone? So this is the first question that he asks. You live here alone? Well, do you? I'm sorry, I thought you were telling me, not asking me. उसने जवाब नहीं दिया. तो उसने कहा कि I thought you were telling me. A question of inflection. Your voice is unfamiliar. Inflection means tone of voice. Unfamiliar. वो जेरड जो है वो कहता है कि तुम्हारा जो वॉइस है मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेंज लगता है. अनकॉमन, अनफेमिलियर. तो वो कहता है कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड योर वॉइस. व्हाई? बिकॉज योर वॉइस इज वेरी स्ट्रेंज. So he says that I'm not able to understand your voice because your voice is unfamiliar. तो उसने अपने क्वेश्चन को रिपीट किया विथ एम्फोसिस. एम्फोसिस मतलब जोर देना. टू ले स्ट्रेस, टू पुट स्ट्रेस. फिर उसने स्ट्रेस देकर अपना जो क्वेश्चन है उसको रिपीट किया. डू यू लिव हियर अलोन? एंड इफ आई डोंट आंसर, तो जेरड said, if I don't answer your questions, you have got enough sense not to want to get hurt. So what does he say? That if he will not answer his questions, he will hit him. So intruder, what does the intruder say? कि तुम्हारे पास उतना दिमाग है, enough sense, you have brains. Enough sense means you have enough brains. If you will not answer my question, I will hit you. He wants to say that कि इतना दिमाग तुम्हारे पास है कि अगर तुम ये समझने के लिए कि अगर तुमने मेरे सवालों का आंसर नहीं दिया तो मैं तुम्हें जरूर हर्ट करूंगा. So when Gerard says that, what will you do if I don't answer your question? The intruder says, then I will hit you, I will hurt you. So Gerard, I think good sense is shown more in the ability to avoid pain than in the mere desire to do so. So he says that, yes, I am a wise man and I know how to avoid pain. What do you think, Mr. R? अभी फिर उसको मिस्टर एर बुला रहा है. जेरड को अभी उसका क्रिमिनल का नाम नहीं पता. So he calls him Mr. R. Intruder, never mind my name, I like yours better. अब वो अपना नाम तो नहीं बताएगा, वो क्रिमिनल है. He is running away from the police, so it's for sure he is not going to tell his name. A real name तो बताएगा ही नहीं. Never mind my name, I like yours better, Mr. Gerard. What are your Christian names? So he asks him his Christian names. So he says that Gerard answers Vincent Charles. तो पूरा नाम जेरड का क्या है? Vincent Charles Gerard. So Gerard is his title and his Christian name is Vincent Charles. Full name is Vincent Charles Gerard. Do you run a car? तो पहला क्वेश्चन जो है इंट्रूडर ने पूछा कि उसका नाम क्या है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन ही इज आस्किंग दैट डू यू हैव अ कार? नो. तो दैट इज अ लाई. मीन्स द इंट्रूडर हैज ऑलरेडी गैदर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन. उसने बहुत सारा जानकारी पहले ही इकट्ठा करके रखा है, क्योंकि जब चार्ल्स ने झूठ बोला तो उसने तुरंत पकड़ लिया. चार्ल्स ने कहा उसके पास कार नहीं है और तुरंत उसने क्या कहा? इंट्रूडर सेड दैट इज अ लाई. मींस ही ऑलरेडी हैज गैदर्ड लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट हिम. ही सेज यू आर नॉट डीलिंग विद अ फूल. व्हाट डज ही से? दैट तुम कोई फूल के साथ डील नहीं कर रहे हो. तुम झूठ बोलोगे और बच जाओगे, ऐसा मत सोचो. आई एम एज स्मार्ट एज यू एंड स्मार्टर. What does the intruder say? That I am smarter than you, I am cleverer than you. मैं तुमसे ज्यादा चालाक और तेज हूँ. And I know you run a car. Better be careful, wise guy. He says that better be careful means don't tell lies to me. I have already gathered information. I am smarter than you. So when Gerard told a lie to the criminal that he did not have a car, immediately he said that you are speaking a lie. Don't think that you are smart because I am a smarter person. So Gerard says, are you American or is that merely a clever imitation? What is the meaning of imitation? Imitation means copying. Copying. नकल करना किसी का. तो इंट्रूडर का टोन क्या है? Intruder is speaking in an American tone. So Gerard asked the intruder that are you an American or you are simply imitating, copying an American? Are you an American or you are copying the American style of speaking? Listen, this gun is no toy. I can hurt you without killing and still get my answers. Now, intruder does not want to listen to any nonsense. Intruder को बस अपना जो है जानकारी जेरड से चाहिए और उसके बाद वो उसको किल कर देगा. So, he says that this gun is not a toy. वो उसको threaten करता है. This gun is no toy. So why does he say? He is threatening Gerard. What is he threatening? That if you try to be smart, if you don't answer my questions, then I will hurt you. ये गन जो है वो रियल गन है, ये कोई खिलौना नहीं है. वो threaten करता है. I can hurt you without killing. He says even if I don't kill you, I can injure you. I can hurt you and still get my answers. Of course, if you put it like that, I'll be glad to assist you. So जेरड को लगता है कि there is no hope. अब कोई उसके पास उपाय नहीं है. Someone is aiming the gun at him. He has no choice. So he says, okay, I'll be glad to assist you. Assist means help. कहता है ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा. मैं सारे सवालों का आंसर दूंगा. I do possess a car. तो जेरड ने मान लिया उसके पास है. It is in the garage round the corner. That is better. Do people often come out here? So again the intruder asked the second question कि उससे मिलने कौन कौन से लोग आते हैं. Do people often come out here? तो जेरड कहता है कि very rarely. Very rarely. Rarely means very few visitors. जेरड has very few visitors. बहुत कम लोग जो है उससे मिलने आते हैं. Very few visitors. Surprisingly, few people take the trouble to visit me. कुछ ही लोग जो है जेरड के कॉटेज में आते हैं. Who are the people who visit him? It is the baker, greengrocer. Greengrocer means, you know, what is the meaning of greengrocer? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of greengrocer?
Ma'am, one who sells fruits and vegetables.
Ma'am, fruit seller.
Fruits, one who sells fruits or vegetables. Who sells vegetables or fruits? Of course. And then there is the milkman. तो कौन कौन से लोग जेरड के कॉटेज में आते हैं? कुछ ही लोग आते हैं. बेकर, ग्रीन ग्रोसर, मिल्कमैन. क्वाइट चार्मिंग, but no one so interesting as yourself. But what does Gerard say? कि कोई भी जो है उसके जैसा इंटरेस्टिंग आदमी नहीं है.